Fuck it. Everyone starts the same. Not with their first step, but with the decision to show up again. This ritual isn't about speed or mileage. It's a promise to keep going, to keep becoming.
Track section good. $12 by 200.
Last! We do this 12 times.
That's what I told myself last week.
Sunrise used to be just about logging miles. Now they're about logging moments. Each step, a rediscovery. Each breath, proof I'm still here. There was a time when movement wasn't an option. Cancer stripped away everything I knew about strength. I wasn't fighting to run. I was fighting to breathe.
Doon ako sa likod mo.
Kilo 63 tayo. Last. 3 minutes eh.
Try.
Wala yan. 32. Okay? Okay. Last. Ready, go! Last!
I remember praying just to stand without pain, to hold a cup of water. And now, here I am, choosing to run. You have an easy run, 45 minutes today. It's so hard to wake up early in the morning. Well, I mean, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day without an alarm. The problem is when I wake up, my entire body doesn't want to. It's just in so much pain. My joints hurt. My head hurts. My knees hurt for some reason. But when the warm-up's done, I'm done. I'm good. So we just gotta push through a little bit. It's a bit hard, but gotta do what we gotta do to get stronger. It is hot. It is very hot outside today. It's sunny. So hopefully I don't die from a heat stroke. So let's see.
It is so hot today. So hot. Heart rate's already skyrocketed up. And yeah, it is hot. We keep on going.
My body, once strong, became a battleground I didn't choose. The world shrank to 100 walls. Every day felt like survival. A simple run felt impossible. Recovery wasn't heroic, it was humiliating. But somewhere in the struggle, I found something worth fighting for again. Eventually, the first steps of a run. It wasn't fast, it wasn't pretty, but it was a moment that this body, this spirit, hadn't forgotten how to fight. Each step forward wasn't just fitness, it was proof. Proof that I was still there. I was still here. They told me to be careful, that I'd never be the same. But every time I run, I break a rule written for a weaker version of me. Running is rebellion. Against the diagnosis, against the doubt, against the limits they expect me to live under. This is freedom. This is what grace looks like in motion.
So we just did a 1 hour and 20 run. Run on Thursday, the easy run. Wasn't able to finish it. Had like severe shin splints. So coming in today a little bit stronger, but a little bit scared. So what I did was I really started really slow, as like 9-minute pace, and then I negative split it, and then I was able to do 9k. That's progress. That is real progress. My last good long run was a 10k and 5 minutes less, but this is good. No severe pain. There was pain. There was shin splints at the start, but I think at around like 4 kilometers in, halfway through, it was gone, and then felt good. Also took my meds at 3 a.m. so that I could have you know, fueled for this run. And fueling for a run really feels different from when you're not fueling. When you're not fueling, it's so hard. Like, it's literally so hard. Like, I feel dead at the start and at the end of it, but now I feel good. I fueled with 2 whale fuels and felt good. So feel good, and that's why I run.
It's not about race times, it's about the privilege of pushing. To feel discomfort and know it comes from living, not just surviving. Running is my way of saying thank you to God for giving me a second chance. Every breath is a prayer, every stride is praise, and I don't run to win, but I run to remember who kept me alive.
Time for the workout. This is hard. Very hard. Holy shit. I'm burning. Like, everything. Workout done. So tired. 2k cooldown time. No b-roll. It's hard to film running in this amount of people. I feel
Hello there.
Wait. Workout's done. I am smoked. Hit the 150 splits, I think. Did good. But the 400 splits were too hard. I think it went too fast on the 150s. My target was 150 to 155. For the 400s, I did 157 and 158. I was smoked by the end of the 150s. It's good though. Felt better. In all honesty, I was super scared today. Didn't feel well. I'm super scared of relapse. Like, the moment I feel shin splints, which is a big part of running, I get scared. I get really scared because if you guys don't know, my first symptom was shin splints, and that's pretty much it. And I was also running, so it's like, can running cause cancer? No, no, not really. But my first symptoms were shin. Give the messy backpack. It was just shin splints. So, and I had it today before the run, not during, just before. So I was pretty scared. I was really scared. I'm always just really scared of that. Maybe it was just the heat. It's extremely hot right now. It's 41 degrees Celsius. You can imagine how hot that is. Out there, yeah, 41 degrees. It's so hot. It was super hot. I'm sweating. So, yeah, I guess that's it for today. It's 5:15 a.m. We're gonna go for our long run. 1 hour 20. 1 hour 20. Sa bundok.
Bundok.
Yes. We are in the mountains. We are in the mountains, folks. Like, it's very hilly. It's all hills. No flats. So no pace. Just like continuous running. And hopefully ginagawa mo dyan na Milo mo? Ha? Milo boy ka na? Hills are hard. Can't go easy. My lord. Now we're gonna go up another hill. This one. Look at that shit. We've been walking because we can't run this. We can't run this.
Pakita ka ba yan?
So guys, doon kami galing kanina.
Saan yung bahay natin?
Hindi ko alam. So stupid. Registration's closed now. Forgot to register.
Morning. I think it's 5:40 a.m. We're in my local cemetery for an easy run. So I'm tired, but I have to run this early in the morning so that, it won't be hot as hell. Out here with the miles and this rising sun, it's impossible not to feel the grace. Victory isn't always a podium. Sometimes it's just showing up. The quiet win of a healed body, a life re-engaged. This isn't just physical discipline. It's spiritual practice, moving meditation on gratitude, resilience, and grace.
So I've been sick the past few days. Not running. Couldn't even vlog anything. I don't know what to do. But my doctor think it's asthma, so I got a new type of inhaler. I have an old one, which is this thing, which is Foster, that I use just like, every now and then if I need to. How to operate this thing. So, reason, how the hell do I operate this thing? Alright. You have to cock this thing? Oh man.
Too much running weakens me. It breaks my body down, and of course, too little, and I lose my mind. The stillness becomes noise. So I live in this strange in between. Training, resting, adapting, and trying to always listen. I honestly don't want to train with ego and just simply train with honesty. Run because it teaches me how to live fully. It's not just about the kilometers or a pace, it's about remembering what I've survived and honoring it with effort. Running isn't an escape, it's a return to freedom, to grace, to self. And if I can run today, then I will. And that's why I run.